Can I tell you something?
This is Billy Gardell.
This is we're here with Billy.
My wife,
she's so excited to have this man
I'm
here.
happy to be here.
Her
I'm a
energy
big
is
fan
through
of
the
this
roof.
show.
Are you going to keep interrupting our celebrity
I
guest,
could
Billy
just take
Gardell?
calls
Okay,
while
start
they
the show.
argue.
You look like a morally bankrupt crossing guard in Simi Valley.
Why are you so mean to
You
that
look
man?
like Bristol
Be
Palin's
nice.
bodyguard.
Be nice to that man.
I can't.
He loves you.
Does he?
Yeah. He says it in private.
Okay.
Today we are with VIP major celebrity Billy Gardell. You know him from the love interest.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Stop interrupting my intro.
These two make me feel so good about
You
my
look
marriage.
like Chris.
I'm a fan of the snack vlog. I'm a fan of An Actor Prepares, and I am
But
a fan
more
of...
snack vlog. And don't let him steal you for the actor prepares.
Why not?
I gotta do
He's
an Actor
doing it.
Prepares.
He's doing an
Don't
actor
feel you
prepares.
have to do that.
He's my friend.
Grade,
You know what's
mentally
funny?
retarded.
They
Okay.
don't drink.
What do you like in it?
Okay. Oh my
A
God.
little cream. Be great.
Just cream?
Yeah. He's just trying to be nice.
No, he's
Yeah,
trying to
no.
dominate, and he's sad that he didn't
you
get a
set
call
the
back for Stranger Things. Let me ask you this, because you refer to your wife a lot in your sets, and
I do.
does it bother you, considering what a huge star you are, that she didn't take your name?
I don't know where you got your information, but my wife did take my name. My wife was
Really?
kind enough and had enough mercy on me to marry me when I didn't have a pot to piss in.
Get over there.
You
Get
guys-
closer to him.
You
Just get
guys look
closer.
like a very expensive ventriloquist act.
Go ahead.
Don't-
Go ahead.
don't
Open
hurt
your
me.
mouth. Ready?
You know
I
what?
am a feminist.
I'm married to an anti-Semitic
Ready?
misogynist who wouldn't hide
Ready?
me.
He would hide
wouldn't.
her.
I don't think he
would.
would.
I've never done the women's march. I've been to
Just back
two
down.
women marches.
To pick up women with Sad Joe.
You're not talking about Joe P.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Joe P.
Stop it
Joe,
with the
do they
sad
call
Joe.
you Sad Joe?
Yeah, he's Sad Joe because all they do is
He's
go
a
to
dear friend of
Larchmont
mine.
and look
Dear
at these
friend.
Lululemon yoga hookers and pretend to jerk off to these. Can you go get the snack? Do I need
No.
to get the
Well,
snack?
This is, by the way, Fielding's snack vlog, and this is her husband, Larry. They're both incredibly talented people, and they were kind enough to let me into their weird marriage this afternoon, and I got to tell you, I feel good about where I'm at.
All right, we're preparing something. I don't even know what she's doing.
What's she making?
Okay, you're giving me. I don't know. Let him.
No, you
He's
didn't
a
even-
star. He's a goddamn star. He knows how
I
to
know
work
he's
a
a
camera.
star.
Let him
This is
do
their
what
show.
he needs to do.
Listen to me.
Whenever the camera
my friend,
stops,
you haven't even just had no focus
that
whatsoever.
keeps going.
Because
Whoa, look at this.
Billy's Philly roots.
Bro, Pittsburgh, but you're getting closer.
Oh, my
Pittsburgh,
God.
Gardell.
So it is Pittsburgh?
Yeah.
Can you go take a
You
spinning
still
class
haven't even-
at Soul
you
Cycle?
literally
Can you
still-
literally go take a spinning class?
You haven't even pitched
Okay.
what the vlog's about.
This is a Pittsburgh hoagie.
Well, it's a sandwich.
You literally just gave me the creeper. Can you let me be alone? No, he literally just raised his finger around
Did
my
not
asshole.
raise a finger.
And there's a hoagie here, and that was really
First of
asshole.
all-
I don't need you to be around my asshole.
All you did was come out and drop sandwiches in front of Billy without
and I
any
didn't-
reasoning.
Right.
So, Billy, we don't want to offend you. We know that you're a connoisseur.
Can you
of-
pronounce the word connoisseur?
He said it right. Well, she
You know
just
what?
she comes in like SEAL Team
You
6.
see,
Right now,
you sense
You
it?
look
Everything
like
you-
sexually confused mechanic in Simi Valley. You know what you look like?
Mm.
Oh, these people, they need help.
They kind of sat in the fridge overnight.
That's good though.
So
Here's a good thing about the fridge hoagie.
it's a fridge hoagie.
Because it gets cold, it doesn't, stuff ain't sliding. So you're working with like a solid piece. Like a socks.
Billy,
Yes.
um,
Do you have any,
I've had the
do you have any
most
more
incredible.
wrong information? that you
All
wanna
I
tell
do
me?
is give you
Tell me
wrong
something?
information.
That's kind of funny.
Unlike my husband, okay?
Why do you have to just...
Why?
Because
say?
it's so natural to me,
Okay.
and it's like a
All right.
warm bath.
I don't want to get in the middle.
Okay, I'm also gay, Jason, and so I'm about to leave him in 5 minutes for
No.
a British woman.
She likes
A
big
British
guys, just to
woman?
let you know.
Look, she's not eating. Look at the way she looks. Look
She
at
won't
that.
eat fucking anything.
Look at
I would eat something.
Watch
Unlike
this.
my husband,
Watch this.
I find you incredibly humble
You're very
and an incredible work ethic,
He doesn't
and you
think
have
I have that?
a luminosity and a charisma that's very compelling.
Well,
She's
back
flirting
at-
with you.
Back at the both of you.
No, she's literally
This is
flirting
between
with
you
you.
and me. This is
She
you.
likes
Yeah.
big guys.
So you
Yeah.
got your start cleaning toilets at Bonkers.
You got that right. That's amazing.
He
You're
cleaned
on top of it.
bathrooms
Yeah.
at Bonkers.
That's
And they
exact
said,
line.
Billy
You
Gardell, I challenge you to a duel. You get up and do that open mic. And he
Well,
slayed it. And he was
now,
like,
now you're off-road now. But you yellow something.
oh, thank you.
Um,
See, he lets me know. He has never let me
No,
know
you
that
have
in
to
10 years
tell
of marriage.
people.
He won't tell me.
you have to
This is
tell
what she
me.
does
Yeah.
before she goes into a party. She goes,
Yeah.
"How are my teeth?" And she has these big
You have
teeth.
to
But
do-
you
They-
have to
they-
do that.
the
Well,
teeth.
he goes,
Yeah.
Jesus, you're fine, without even looking at me.
You can't.
screams at me, "You're fine."
You have to care about each other. Fuck.